So there are two ways to write a set. There's something called roster form and then another thing called set builder notation. And we're going to show you what those two are in this example. So the situation is n is a set of even natural numbers that are less than or equal to 12. How do you write n in roster form and also in set builder notation? So we have something that's n. Okay, so roster form, let's check that out. So roster form looks like this. You have n equals, and then you make your little curly braces, and then you put all the numbers that are included in the set. So it says even natural numbers. Remember, the natural numbers are the ones that are like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the ones that, like, babies first learn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But then they say all the even ones. So if I made a list of natural numbers, we wouldn't include 1, 3, 5, 7. So any odd numbers we're not going to include. So we want to go all the way up to the ones that are less than or equal to 12. So we could put 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and it says less than or equal to 12, so we can include 12 as well. And then you just close this up with the curly braces. So this is roster form. You just put the variable and you say that equals curly braces, then you put everything that's in set in the curly braces. Now set builder notation, let's look at that. Now set builder notation is more useful once your sets start getting really big. You see, roster form can become, to keep it real, a pain in the butt whenever you have lots of numbers in your set. But set builder notation looks like this. You have n equals, then you put the curly brace, and then you put some type of variable that you're working with. In this case it's n, and then you put a line, and then you say what the constraints are. So what's the limitation here? And our limitation is even natural numbers. So you just write that here, even natural numbers. And then you put a comma, and then you say what's the other constraint, which is it has to be less than or equal to 12. So n is less than or equal to 12. And then you close the bracket. So that gives you everything that you need to know about this situation. So this set builder notation is the same thing as this roster form. So we know that the numbers is everything less than 12, but if we just had that, then we would have 11, 9, 7. We would have the odd numbers too. So we need to get rid of those. So that's why we add the even natural numbers. So that creates another constraint that keeps it 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so you may need to refer back to this video a couple times when you're doing your own homework problems, or if you need more explanation, you can go to example 1 in your book and look at that as well. And so let's take this knowledge and go to example 2.